Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're just going to see how to get this futuristic Android launcher on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So download the high-tech theme launcher 2024 from the Play Store and you can get this super cool violet color themed launcher. It's a tech launcher. You can in the top you can find the super cool animations of the about the storage and also about the calendar and about the battery which actually placed in unique way. In the bottom, in the top, in the center, you can find a reactor followed by some application, and every covers have a unique icon pack which is designed in a such a way. It's designed in a such detailed way that you can get a more impression. And here you can find while swiping, you can find the music player followed by some codes and followed by next a battery boost widget, then your home page. Just click on the setting option on the top and just click on the theme option. Here I just talking about the theme number 3. Click on the theme number 3 and just apply this theme and you can get the exact theme setup. You can also change the icon pack if you just need it, and also other more options like hide app application, everything here. And this app also simple and minimal look, and you can get all the exact theme setup on followed by the apps too. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.